Hi friends, today I'm showing you this Acer Chromebook. This is actually for my kid as going back to school. So he is trying to open this up. So you can see this is a Acer Chromebook 311. It's a 11.6 inch high definition, 1366 by 768 resolution, Intel Celeron 4020, 4GB RAM, LPDDR4, 32GB eMMC in the pure silver color, Gigabit Wi-Fi, a Bluetooth 5.0. So this is the unboxing of this nice Chromebook, and these days it's really nice to have a Chromebook that it can do at least 90% of your work if it is all online. So this is the opening of the Chromebook, and the size is pretty good, like 11.6 inch. This is a lightweight and easily portable carry Chromebook, and this is a manual and connection things. The good thing is that it is easily connecting by the Wi-Fi. This has Wi-Fi 5 and this is a gigabit speed Wi-Fi. So you can see like all this paperwork. It's pretty. They have a adapter. It's a 45-watt adapter, so it's pretty good high speed adapter. And this have a USB-C charger, and this is a USB-C charger, so it's pretty neat and easily done, because USB-C is a new stream, so you can use any USB-C cable to charge this laptop. And because this is a 45-watt charger, so this is a high-speed charging for this Chromebook. So you can see all the sides of this Chromebook, and on the one side it have a USB 3.0A, USB-C, and the micro SD card, and the headphone jack, and also USB-C. So they have a 2 USB-C on each side of this for charging and to connect it through a display port or to the HDMI. So the design is really good. It's handy, portable. So I'm just putting in the charging so that you can see it, and I can show you some feature for setting up this Chromebook. So it's pretty. See, USB-C charging. I have a micro SD card as well, but I have not put it yet, and you can extend that disk space by that. And here, as I mentioned, the back, the hinges, and the speakers on the bottom, and the fan speed. So once you open it, you can see that it's a nice size keyboard, a touchpad, the matte finish, and then setting up is pretty easy for the Chromebook. It's standard that you can just put on button and put your Google ID, and this will start coming up. So setting up is pretty straightforward, and it's a flash. Like you can see the speed and the processing of this 4020 processor. It's pretty easy. Agree and connect. It will check for the updates and put in the ID, ask you some options, connect with the Wi-Fi, and then all is set. So it's pretty neat, and it's really helpful Chromebook. This resolution is 1366 by 768. And for the 11.6 inch screen, it is termed as a HD screen.